Time for a brow tutorial. I take the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in 3.5 and outline. Yes, I outline my brow. Do the underneath. Bam. And then do the top. Bam. Like so. Then I take this Foolproof Brow Powder in shade 3 and fill that sucker in, using the dark color on the tail of the brow and the light color on the inside parts. Okay, the inner part of the brow is the part you have to pay the most attention to. So I use the light colored powder there. Only put powder at the very front of the brow, in the bottom, and up here. I do not put any brow product in like the top center part of the brow. I just take what I've already put and I comb it right on through, and that product usually transfers up enough to give you kind of a nice feathered effect, so it looks like it's filled in a bit without being filled in too much. You feel me? That's important. If you feel like you missed any spots, you can go in and just kind of add back in with that pencil. Very light feathery strokes, my dear. Now for some Gimme Brow Tinted Brow Gel to make it look like you have brow hairs and not just a filled-in block of brow. Then you finish the other side, obviously, and bam, the brows are done.